Hello, Dr. Tammy Penhollow with Precision Regenerative Medicine in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're talking about PRP for beauty, PRP for rejuvenation of the skin, PRP for rejuvenation of the hair. It can be used in aesthetics as well as in orthobiologics for spine and joint pain. We're able to do it all at Precision Regenerative Medicine as I have training and experience in both. Oftentimes people will come to me with a joint pain issue and say, hey, I'd also love to be able to do some work on my face for the fine wrinkles and lines, or they have some hyperpigmentation or the mask of pregnancy called melasma. There are also gentlemen who come in for knee pain and say, hey, can we start working on some of this hair loss before it gets to the point where it's truly bald? And we can do that with your body's own PRP. The neat thing about this is it's one blood draw, it's one processing, and if we use a big enough kit, we can do both. So it can be a one-stop shop for you. The thing about PRP for the skin is it can be used for fine lines, for wrinkles, for acne scars, for stretch marks, which are technically a scar, for surgical scars, and for hyperpigmentation. There is not a restriction on what skin type. With many laser treatments, you cannot treat the dark skin or you can get hyperpigmentation as a result. There's not a risk of hyperpigmentation or increased melanin going to the skin from this treatment. In fact, it's used to treat it. The other thing about using it for hair is it's often in combination. I found that the very best results come when we're using topical or oral minoxidil or Rogaine in addition to the PRP. We need to wait it out a couple months between the cycles of the hair growth and the hair stagnation phases and the hair loss phases. And you need to be patient with both of these therapies. Typically, I start to see results in hair at about 1 to 2 months, can take up to 3 months. Typically, we see a result with the skin after 6 to 8 weeks. Sometimes it's one and done in terms of getting rid of a scar. Other times it requires 2 or 3 treatments. Typically, the best results are seen with 2 or 3 treatments. For PRP microneedling of the face, we do numb the face with a topical cream, same with the scalp. And that way it is an in-office procedure where you're laying on the table and feel like you're in a spa-like experience, just relaxing as I microneedle the PRP into your skin. And if it's a scalp similar, can also do some injections within the scalp of the PRP, but we'll also microneedle the PRP in. If you'd like to explore this further, please give me a call. Precision Regenerative Medicine, https://precisionmedprp.com. Thank you.